Hello everyone, this is the Gunny with Malachi Prime Media. This past weekend I had the opportunity to cover the Slammed Enough Car Show at the North Charleston Coliseum. I had a great time. There was lots of nice cars coming in and out, a lot of really clean, crisp looking modifications that came into play. Lots of nice, cool people. A lot of people that were open to sitting there and talking and having a good time. Lots of nice scenery. Lots of nice scenery. Had a lot to look at in a short period of time. But so with this one was a little bit unique. I was able to legally go in per the requirements of the FAA and cover the car show with some drone footage. So I hope you're able to enjoy that. Before you get to any of that though, if you do like where I'm going and you like to see some more of this drone footage in the car start to come in more into play, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you enjoy this video, which I hope you should because I put a lot of time into it, go ahead and like it with the thumbs up button. And if you are starting to really see where I'm going with all this and you want to see where I'm going all together in the end, go ahead and hit the bell notification button because that lets you know whenever a new video is ready to view. All right, let's see what we got to see.
How's it going? My name is Chris. I'm here with Rising Sun Depot. We do custom wheels. We can do any type of wheel, deep dish, low profile. They're all wooden underneath them, different color schemes and all kinds of things like that. Our website is trsdepot.com. That's trsdepot.com. And we're actually from Atlanta, Georgia. And we do a lot of traveling with most of the car shows as well. We also do custom interior as well. That's pretty much.
Hey, hi people, my name is Jorge Diaz, and this is my ride. I'm a guy that do mechanic body work, so if you have any helping with set up and do custom job, custom space, you can free to contact me at 843-557-3096. Thank you, and this is my ride. It's a 2005 Honda Odyssey. Then if you see, we got a custom paint, we got a custom hood, we got lights that is not on right now, but later you're gonna see it. We got 22-inch rims. We got airbags. You see, we got the full interior done. We got custom speakers done. We got custom radio, seat covers, speakers. We got a custom trunk too. I'm a body tech guy, so all these do it by myself, and we help, about trends, body, fiberglass, paint, everything. We do everything, suspension, mechanic, everything. Yeah, I got it about like 5 years already. And what else? We got a quick release, an energy steering wheel. And it's fun to ride, I got family. That's one of the reasons that I got this build it. So I hope you enjoy it.